Welcome to your Ace Hardware Warranty Program training. Your Ace Hardware location has partnered with Consumer Priority Service and has implemented an extended warranty program that not only extends the manufacturer's warranty, but also offers additional coverage such as accidental protection that is not covered by your manufacturer. Depending on the product purchased, the warranty period will extend for either 2 or 3 years. Now that we've gone over the basics, let's see how a sale would ideally look.
Morning.
Hi, good morning.
Did you find everything you're looking for today?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Do you have an Ace Rewards card?
I don't.
So I see you're getting this drill. Did you know there's a warranty available that will cover your drill completely for the next 2 years?
Sounds interesting. How much is it?
It's only $29.99. It comes down to pennies per day. Many of our customers purchase it because it's peace of mind for the next few years.
I thought the drill already comes with a warranty.
It actually does come with a manufacturer's warranty, but this covers any accidents or damage that may happen over the next 2 years. So it covers way more than the manufacturer's warranty would cover.
So let me get this straight. So even if I drop the drill and the damage is my fault, I'm covered?
Yes, accidents happen all the time, and we like to make sure our customers are covered.
Wow, that sounds fantastic. I'll take it.
Great. So I just need some additional information to finish your transaction.
Of course.
What is your email address?
jd@gmail.com.
Okay, great. So if you experience any issues,
Perfect.
here you go. Did you need a bag? Okay, thank you for shopping at Ace. Have a great day.
Let's take a closer look at what that warranty sale would look like from an Ace perspective. Your POS system determines whether an item is warrantable. When a warrantable product is rung up on the system, you will automatically see which warranties may apply. When a customer agrees to buy a warranty, add the warranty by checking off the box and pressing select. Take down the customer's email information for the system. Once the item is rung up, check if the customer is a rewards member. If the customer is not a rewards member, fill out their information in the header screen. You can access the header screen by pressing F11. Once you are done filling out the information, press F11 again to return to the posting screen. Proceed to check out the customer. Once that is completed, the customer will receive their receipt. A batch file of all warranties is sent nightly from Ace to CPS. A customer can access, register their warranty, or file a claim at www.cpscentral.com/ace. After a sale, please attach their receipt to a Z-fold so the customer will have full knowledge of their warranty plan. This card will give the customer details on how to register their warranty and file future claims. Let's review the Z-fold. This should be given to each customer that buys a warranty. Here, the customer will find the benefits of their CPS plan, the terms and conditions, and where to go for further assistance. Now, what happens if their product stops working? What should the customer do? All the customer will need is their receipt. The customer can file a claim through the online portal. Or call the toll-free number on their receipt. Most of the sales information will already be pre-populated. The customer will be asked details about the claim and within moments will receive an email notifying them that a claim has been filed and CPS is working on their behalf. For in-home service, bigger appliances and products that usually cannot be moved, the customer will be contacted by a local authorized service center to schedule a date and time for service. For replacement or repair plans, smaller appliances, and items that can be shipped easily, the customer will receive an email within 24 hours of filing a claim with instructions on the next steps needed to get their product repaired or replaced. You can always come back to this page to see the latest claim status. At Ace Hardware, we like to go the extra mile in providing our customers with the best possible in-store experience. Most of the time, customers will file claims online or by calling CPS. The CPS representative will assist you in filing a claim for your customer. Prior to calling in, be sure to have the customer's receipt number available. Make sure you write down the claim number and circle CPS contact information and prompt them to check their email for updates from CPS. At that point, the claim is in CPS's hands and your job is done. At times, you may have a customer who needs assistance with filing a claim. Let's see how this will look.
Thank you for calling CPS Customer Service. My name is Sarah. My extension is 1234. How can I help you today?
Hi, my name is Bina. I'm calling from Costello's Ace Hardware in Melville. I was calling on behalf of a mutual customer of ours to assist in filing a claim on his drill.
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. Would you happen to have the customer's receipt number?
Sure. The receipt number is 1234567.
Thank you for that. Are you trying to file a claim on a DeWalt drill model number DC970?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Could you please describe the problem that Mr. Davidson is experiencing today with his drill?
Yes, Mr. Davidson accidentally dropped his drill last week and it no longer powers on.
Perfect. Thank you for that. Can you please provide the customer's best email address?
Sure. It's J as in Jack, D as in David, @gmail.com.
Just so I can make sure it's spelled correctly, that's J as in Jack, D as in David @gmail.com?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. The customer's all set. His claim number is 1476587. He can call or log into his online portal for statuses or updates. We will be sending out a confirmation email shortly to Mr. Davidson. Is there anything else that I can help you with today?
No, that will be all. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Thank you for calling CPS. Have a great day.
Now we will see how to properly conduct a warranty return. Returns are simple and should always be stress-free.
Hello. I'd like to return this drill.
Hi. What's wrong with it?
Actually, nothing. My brother bought me the same exact one for my birthday. I guess he beat me to it.
All right, I'll get that taken care of for you. Do you have your receipt?
Yes.
Once you begin to transact the return, you'll be prompted in your POS system to return it like any other product.
Okay. Here you go. You're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye.
That's all there is to do. The customer's warranty return information will be submitted to CPS as part of the nightly batch file. Thank you for watching this video. This training video is almost over, but before we go, let's review. We know how to properly sell, file a claim, and return a warranty. Always make sure to use the ACE standard of customer service when assisting customers throughout this process.